So we finally got the outdoor catio all fixed up. So now the girls can stay and play outside and be safe. Cause out where we live, we got lots of stray dogs, coyotes, wolves, everything. But here, they got a nice, safe environment. They got the two little houses that we've had from the other catio. So how am I counting? 1, 2, 3. Somebody's missing. And then they got some shelves where they can sit up high and see. I'm gonna put some other toys in here soon, but that's all for today for the catio. Hey Sheba! Hey Sheba! Looking at the catio. Thanks for watching. Bye!